Hey guys, David Lemon here, and in this video I wanted to actually go live and review a new app that I found. It's called Create.XYZ. I wanted to actually record myself going into it for the first time and pretty much checking it out so that you can see along with me of what I found out. I heard about Create in X or Twitter, and it seems like a very good platform. They are solid at this moment. They do very similar things like Bolt or Lovable or the other apps, but they started differently. They started with a different goal in mind from what I can understand, and they are already a couple of levels above some of these other new tools that are showing up. So this is it. Create.XYZ is their domain, and they do text to app, very simply explained. So you can come over here, describe your big idea. You have some templates to start with. So you can start with a post board, one link, like a bio link website or a trip planner. If we go scroll down, we can see some of these community templates, like different websites that were created with it, or different tools like job search assistant and things like that. So this was all done by the community. So we can have a look what it does. We have AI tools, create AI tools and automations without writing any codes, use any of the latest models, build with any API or data source, which is great. We have some demos over here, prototyping, components. So all of that is kind of built in. So let's see their pricing. I believe they're a little bit less expensive than the main ones. So it is monthly, yeah, it is $19 a month, and usually it is around $20 that these AI tools are going for. They also have a free plan, which is very good. It's very useful for us so that we can go out and test it out, because in the paid plans they have unlimited messages, which is very rare. You have 3 private project, customized domain, removed branding and things like that, which is awesome in my opinion. So at this moment, let's just go in and test it out. Here, what we will do is we will just use the free plan at this moment so that we can actually check what it does. So let's just go and log in, and I'm going to be typing in my details and pretty much logging in. So let me just pause and I'll come back once I log in. All right, so we are in. I actually clicked on projects over here when I came in, but what we would see is pretty much their main page. So let me just click around and see what's available. Over here, let's go AI templates. So they have templates to start with, which is great. We have these community. When we go to explore, we can see what the community did. So this is this. Sort by most popular, last created, and like these are beautiful landing pages, beautiful apps, customer dashboard, job search assistant. Yeah, I mean this is looking real nice. So let's go and explore actually the how it works. So if I go into drafts, I can go and start with creating something for my own. Image generator, AI blog writer, ROI calculator, multi-step onboarding flow, which is great. Describe your app or drop in a screenshot, I'll make it real. That's nice. Let's see what we have here. New project, version history, view code, new page, new component, new function, new database, enable user accounts, right? A new data store will be created to store user. Okay, so it has database already built in, which is nice. Style guide. Oh, I like that. We can create our style guide so it follows it throughout. Use your own brand. All right. Let's see generation settings. Okay, so we can set up what we want to use for the generation. Anthropic is very, very good. We can upgrade to get more of these. And yeah, let's actually get started with it. I'm just going to copy and use this prompt over here. Create a simple CRM which had see on dashboard component and nice gradient styling. Let's see what it does. We can add an image and we can add add-ons. What are the add-ons? I don't know, but let's just send it in and then we see what we have. Over here we can see the demo, we can select, or we can see the code. All right, we can minimize. Oh, look at this, it immediately creates multiple things at the same time, which is great. Let's see how fast it can do it. Okay, start card. Oh, nice. When we click on a specific component, it will show us immediately. So let's just see customer card. All right, so it's creating these components, and when we click on it, we can actually see it. Deal card. Oh, I like that. Dashboard. All right, it's creating it. Customers page. Deals page. All right. How can I preview the whole thing now? To make this function, we'll need to create a database to store our information. I recommend creating two. Would you like me to continue adding the database integration and adding functionality to edit at customers' deals? Yes, please. Let's just see what it does with this. I don't know how we would be able to see the... Okay. I clicked on this one and then it asked me to revert or not. Okay, so we should not click on things before it is done. It is now creating the database tables and updating the page, okay, with the proper layout and the functioning list. I've updated all three main pages to work together with the dashboard layout. All right, it's still working with it. So this is dashboard. Not sure why I cannot see the demo of it. Okay, so here's the customers and the dashboard. Just come here. Let's... Okay, can I view it in a larger screen? Okay, yeah. So we have a nice looking CRM. Okay, this doesn't align properly. This is the customers and the dashboard. Let's add a new deal. Okay, so the new deal comes here. We do not have a form yet. Does this work? Okay, yeah, it seems to work properly. So in two prompts, it actually created the design, which looks great, and it created the what's it called, the actual pages with the tables, with the forms, with the filtering and things like that, which is awesome. So that looks great. I'm struggling with getting it up and running properly when I click on something, so I don't know why this is happening. If I click deals, I don't see any of these change. So let's just see what we have here. Okay, so we still have 2K credits. Let's see the usage. Yeah, it seems like we have still 2K credits. Let's go back. All right. We can invite somebody over here, collaborators. All right. And we can embed this project. Ooh, this is cool. So we can embed this project into something that we are working on. So if you create a calculator or something, it immediately gives you an embed code that you can use. This is nice. I haven't seen this in other tools before. All right, so here's the dashboard. Once we clicked it now, it worked. Total revenue, active deals. This looks great. So let's see if customers opens up. No, deals. No. All right, so let's move on. You now have a fully functional CRM dashboard. Please add in forms to add customers and deals. Make them pretty and make them simple, pretty and multi-column, so it saves space. All right, I don't know what the add-ons are over here. Maybe we can go out and check, but let's just do this one more thing and then we are going to go and publish it out. So over here we can see that this is a draft. All right, so this is a draft project at this moment. I mean, this is a great tool. I really like it. Okay, so the responsiveness is not the best. We'll work on that, but let's see what we have here. All right, it's creating the customers and the deals forms, a multi-column forms. It's going to ask for these details, and for these deals, it probably created the actual. Okay, didn't do anything yet with the database. Most probably it created database stuff earlier. So let's see what we have with this one. Deals. All right, and it's still building the customers. The preview has a slight delay, and we sometimes need to click on it multiple times. Okay, customers waiting. Let's see the deals. New deal. It doesn't allow me to edit. Okay, new customer. Okay, now we can see it here. This is a little bit too crowded at this point. Inactive, pending. Okay, let's just check the deals page and see if that works. And all in all, I'm very liking what I see over here with Create. It's a simple system, and I'm definitely going to explore it a little bit more. But let's see the databases. So we have here the databases. I created earlier a database for tests, but what we can do is create a database here and check, maybe by typing in CRM data, and maybe we can import some of these database files or things like that into the app. If we're creating a directory, we might have some contacts or something like that, so that we actually use that information. Custom instructions, view examples from the community. Okay, Pixel Assistant. Also, they created a community for prompts as well. Chain of thought, 2D games, auto suggest new feature. This is great. We can actually load in information from the community and work with that. All right. So we can also add in our own instructions, automatically add to new projects. This is great. I like this. All right. So we have checked out these. We have the invite feature. We have subscriptions and credits. We have accept payments. Oh, this is nice. We can set up a Stripe integration from here and then assign it to different projects. This is great. I like this a lot. All in all, I'm very, very happy with this. We can create different teams as well. Nice. Let's load in a more developed project already. And maybe this one with AI, Instagram caption helper, and then see, or maybe this customer dashboard, just to see if we could see something else that we didn't so far. Code generation error, X to fix. Okay, so this is how it fixes the issues. All right, so these are the components that it has. What we have here, chat specs, asset designs. What is chat? What are specs? Okay, so this is something we didn't see before. How to use, type what you want, app what you want, and your app will appear. Start small, then add more details, paste in screenshot. Okay, so this is pretty much the edit where we're asking it to edit, but it asks for in detail information. Instant pixel perfect design. This is great. Settings. Okay, so we can see the metadata, meta description, open graph details over here. So this is for when you want to rank in search engines, for example, then this is important. And also when you want to show up in social media, then this is going to show. These are the settings. Custom instructions are here. And the chat is this. All right, so it did not import properly that template, so it is giving us errors, but let's try with a different one. Let's try with, let's just use this Twitter like UI web service. What is this? Okay, yeah, let's try this one just to see how that would work. All right, this loaded up nicely. I don't know what pages this has. It seems like it was just one page. It does not have any functionalities. This is all, let's just see. Okay, so I mean, this works. That's fine. I mean, this was fast. Yeah, all in all, this is Create. I'm very happy with it. I like that we have database included, we have a payment functionality included, we have the user registration functionality included, so I'm definitely going to play with this more. This is the first time I've seen this and I played with it, so you played with it with me. So I'm definitely going to do some live builds with this one, and then we can explore more the functionality, what it does. But so far, my review, very good system, very easy, very light, simple to understand, and all in all, I'm definitely going to go and explore this a little bit more. Let me know what you think, and comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm going to see you in the Micro System Facebook and the community of our memberships, and yeah, hopefully see you there. See you guys.